Hey boys and girls, with Steamy here. I know that there's already one video for how to subtract with renaming for today, but this one is a good one to help you with if I had a whole number, like some of the problems yesterday on the slide, and you will see one today in your Google form. So make sure you're paying attention, you're following along, and following along in your notebook, okay? All right, so here is one example. So if I had 3 wholes minus 1 whole and 3/6. Okay, so to change my 3 wholes, okay, we're talking sixths, so I'm going to have sixths still, okay? And then I just have to think, well, for us to change an improper fraction over to a mixed number, we would just divide the top number by the bottom number. In this case, we would just have to multiply 3 times 6, my whole times my denominator. So 3 times 6 is 18. And that would be your numerator. Now, the reason you could do that, and you could double check, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So that's how you could double check. Okay? So when you see just one whole number and then subtracted by a mixed number, you can try to put it back into a fraction greater than 1. So if we're talking 6, you keep 6, and then you would just multiply whatever the whole number is. So we have 18/6, and then for this one, we do the same thing how we normally would. We would do 6 times 1, which is 6, and then add 3. So that would get you 9/6. And then from there, we just subtract 18/6 minus 9/6. We get 9/6. And this is a fraction greater than 1. If I was going to make it a mixed number, you can think 18 is too high. So we have 1 whole, and then we're left with 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. 3, and we're talking sixths. Okay? So that's how you would do subtracting with a whole number minus a mixed number. Okay, let's try 2 more. Now remember, you can watch this video and pause it as many times as you need to understand what we're doing step by step. Okay, all right, next problem. 10 wholes minus 2 wholes and 3/5. Okay, so we want to change our whole number to a mixed, a fraction greater than 1. So we're talking fifths. So I'm going to keep my 5. And then I have to think something divided by 5 would get me 10, or 5 times 10, which is 50. Okay, so we have 50 fifths, or 50 divided by 5 gets us our 10. And then we subtract, we make this into a mixed number. Improper fraction. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3, 13 fifths. And then we subtract 50 fifths minus 13 fifths. So I would do it, I'm going to do it over here. 50 minus 13. I have 0 minus 3. I can't do that, so I have to regroup. My 5 becomes 4 tens, and we have 10 ones now. 10 minus 3, 7, good. 4 minus 1, 3. So we have 37 fifths. Okay, and we're going to change our fraction greater than 1 to a mixed number. So we could think 37 divided by 5, or we could think of multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We can't go higher, so that's 7 wholes. Got me 35, and then 36, 37. 2 fifths. Okay, one more. 5 wholes minus 3 and 2/4. Okay, so we're talking fourths. So something divided by 4 gets me 5, or 5 times 4 gets me 20. Awesome. Okay, so we have 20 fourths, or I think 20 divided by 4 gets you that 5 wholes. And then we're talking fourths. So 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 fourths and 20 fourths. 20 fourths minus 14 fourths. Do it over on the side. Can't do 0 minus 4, so I'm going to regroup. I have 1 10 now and 10 ones. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 0 tens. So now we have 6 fourths. And to change it to a mixed number, think of multiples of 4. 4, 8. 8's too high, so 4 we can do 1 time, and then 5, 6. So 1 and 2 fourths, or 1 1/2. Okay, hope this helps for you guys today. Make sure you're watching. Make sure you rewatch if you need to. Fill in that Google form at the end of your assignment. And you have 2 Google forms, actually, because the one Google form is the assignment. Okay, see you guys later.